So how do you add videos to the VLC on an iPad? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. So a lot of people download the VLC app from the App Store. It's a great media player, but by default, it's of course going to be empty and there isn't going to be anything inside to play like any media, right? So what you need to do in order to add it is to open your Files app of the iPad. So it's this folder icon which you need to get into, and part of your local storage, which is titled On My iPad, you'll see a bunch of different folders, and one of them should be the newly added one for VLC. So it even has the logo of the app you can get inside, and the point is that the files like the videos or audio, things like recordings, whatever, when you put it in here into this folder, it will be accessed through the VLC player. So you will then open up the application and all of the videos and the media which you put into that folder will be played or accessible through the VLC app, right? So that's how it works. You can utilize it as much as you like and it gets the job done. So that is the best way to use it. Outside of that, you can also explore more options to stream content by going to the browse section at the bottom, and this lets you, for example, share through Wi-Fi, through local network. If you have the media on a different devices, you can as well just stream it through this local link, or even more options are available. So you can perhaps explore it, but I believe, or in my personal opinion, accessing the local files is actually the best way to do it. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you managed to make it work. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials and videos like this one. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.